Let's run through the image search and save from beginning to end. First of all, you're going to need your instructions open so that you can go through these step by step. You'll also need your File Explorer view of your project folder with dimensions visible as a column of information. To get that back, right-clicking on any one of these will give you the option for dimensions, or you may have to go to More to find it. You'll also need that Word document open. Every image that you save has to have its image address, where it is on the internet, preserved here at the bottom of your Word document. Let's take a look at the first thing we're going to search for. Places I've lived includes Honduras. Let's go take a look. I'm going to open up a new tab for Google and go to Images. We now have the settings available right here for advanced search settings. I'm going to type the word Honduras. The fewer words you have to put in there to find your stuff, the more results you'll get. We want really big pictures. None of these are really big. We're going to start with larger than 8 megapixels. Something rather obscure, not that common. You might go larger than 6, but larger than 8 will give us lots of results for Honduras. I'm also going to change this to wide. We're making a wide video, so tall pictures are really hard to incorporate. I'm going to click Advanced Search now and get my results. Each of these represents a large image that Google knows about out on the internet. Select one of them and you'll see the additional thumbnail appear over on the right. If it stays really blurry, it's just this little picture blown up a little bit bigger. Means the website's probably blocked. Note that the resolution of the image it knows about is 5,000 pixels wide. That's more than large enough. We have to compare it to 2,560 by 1440. Those numbers are here on the instructions. 2560 by 1440. Use your math skills. Here's why. We're making a red size video. We need something at least the blue size. Click on the image to see if it's really any good. When we look at this, it is rather blurry. It's not really going to work very well. Just close the tab and let's look for another. If I wanted to focus on the Mayan ruins, this would be a good one. If I wanted to show the map of Honduras, this one might work. It got sharp and clear. It's 4,470 and it shows a lot of detail on the map. That might be a good one. Right click, open image in new tab, and there it is. Click on it one more time. It's very sharp and clear. I could zoom in on where I lived when I was there. Now we need to save it. Right click, copy image address, and then right click, save the image. We're going to go to our project folder, and you can see here it does say the word Honduras. So all I need to do is put the number 1 at the beginning. The left arrow key or the home key above the arrows will take us right to the beginning. No need to click there. 1 space. And if you want to enter a single word or so, right there, it will give us a quicker clue. We're not done yet. We copied the image address. Now it's time to paste it at the end. I recommend just typing the number and then enter, and this is where we're going to Control V or right click and paste. Pressing enter after you paste will cause it to turn into a link. To open a link, you can click inside of where the link is, making it blink in between 2 letters, and that can save us from having to control click, as you see right there. Pressing enter when it's blinking inside the link will open it up. So now you can see we have 2 tabs of the same picture. Let me run through one more. I go back to Word. I also need Guam. I go back to my search. To get to the advanced search settings here, once you've already searched, you can go to Tools, Advanced Search, and change your name here. that word, larger than 8, wide pictures. Lots of pictures here. You pick one, that's Hotel Row on Guam. It did go from blurry to sharp and clear. That's a pretty nice beach shot, but notice it stayed blurry. Even though this says 4000, this picture is blocked. If I try to open image in a new tab, all I get is that thumbnail again. Don't fuss, just go find another. This is the naval base there where my son was born. That might be a good thing to say about it. It's 3,500. That is greater than 2,560. Again, this needs to be open so you know what the numbers are and the instructions on what to do. Make sure and have your instructions open so you know exactly how big the picture has to be. Larger than 2560 by 1440. Now that I've found one, right click, open image in a new tab. It's a big picture. I can zoom in. That's pretty good. It's not the sharpest, clearest one, but it'll work. Right click, copy image address, right click, save the image to your project folder, verify. Pressing home will take me to the beginning, to space, and notice the name of the file doesn't say Guam, so I really need to put that in there. Keep the rest of the name. And verify. You can see we've got our 2 pictures so far with the dimensions. We look in here and we make sure we have the links. Uh-oh, I forgot to put the link here. This is where students go wrong. Make sure you're putting the link. If you don't save the picture, but you have the links, you can always go back here, press enter inside the link, and go and save the picture. If you save the picture without the link, that's another matter entirely. You have to delete the image and then go find it again.